Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. Today is another day. It's evening time actually, and it has been raining out here. And this day is a special day, as on the other previous video you have been watching it, or you have been watching them, about how my house or our bulletproof house in the village has changed. This is due to Min Howie, and a special shout out to her. Kindly subscribe to her YouTube channel. And remember guys, if you are new here, welcome and welcome back. We are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe. So why am I doing this video today at this time? It's like, man, it has become a pressure. But I want to do this video as appreciation to Min Howie. And as you see on her previous video, she was like, I want pizza, I want pizza, I want pizza, I want pizza. And I was like, oh my god, that is it. And I don't want to lie. And because of her goodwill, her good things that she's doing to me, as a supportive partner to me, as a supportive friend to me, whatever she asks, if I have it, I have to give her. Because around here guys, honestly speaking, we don't have a pizza inn around here. In the border we don't have, in Tanzania there we don't have, so I have to drive like 30 minutes far away from here. It's 22 kilometers. Yeah, from here to Migori it's 22 kilometers, so I have to ride 22 kilometers from here to go and look a pizza for Min Howie. So for that guys, in that regard, therefore, what I can say is keep watching, keep having this great episode of this end. This is for a great precision for what she has been doing around here. You see how our kitchen looks like now? Really great, nice, man. Very great. It looks like a palace now, what I can say. Now it's Palace Cloud. And also you can see on these other stuffs how she has cleaned all the cobwebs, a lot of stuffs, everything around here until now it looks nice. On this other end also she cleaned, oh man, it's not okay, she cleaned and just put this on this other end so that it can become so nicely, greatly, so the house look beautiful, nice and great. And that's how everything has been around here, and the house look this. So I haven't yet fixed this door. I don't know what happened with it, was this back, and then it just broke, so I have to fix it as soon as possible before I have a short break from home, from the village. Honestly, I feel like my head can blow up, you know. So this day today we are heading there. I want to keep warm because riding on a motorbike and it's very cold over there. Wow, now I can even put my camera here. Let me put my camera this way and look for a jacket. I want to keep warm. Because I'm riding. I want to put my north face, or my northern face. Wow, all this is under the courtesy of Min Howie, and I want to do something good, great and beautiful for this. This way, and then I cover also this way. And all in all, just to take Min Howie for a pizza, guys. Can I put, so this one I ask myself, can I put this specs, or this, or I put this? Which one is better, this or this? Number one or number two? Number one or number two? Yes? Oh, guest? I'm trying to compare if I put these specs or this. I'm trying to compare myself. If I put these specs or this.
Those ones.
Oh, these ones.
These ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm here with my best great brother, Cherish. My brother here, Omera Jatero Omera. Welcome, Donji, home. Yes. Introduce your good old names, man. And today we put on blue. Imagine. Min Howie today said she wants pizza. And she has made a very great job around here. So I was like, okay, for her good, kind heart, let me take her for the sake of that. For the sake of that. And I know you are tired of cooking. Yeah, how is it been everything?
Everything is fine right
Yes.
now.
Yeah. Okay, welcome home. Now this is school apparatus. Why are you crossing books? Hey, a YouTuber has a very nice handwriting. Guys, this is my young brother's handwriting. Manu Cloud. Hey, you like adopt. And you're drawing some apparatus. Introduce yourself. Yourself.
What's up, guys?
Yes.
Come back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
If you're new there, guys, please subscribe to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
My name is Manu Cloud. Subscribe there. Road to 1K subscribers. Yeah.
Alright, guys. Keep up the good work. He's studying. Alright, guys. So from here, I wanna head there and wanna see what's going on around. Let's go and see this trading journey. Actually, it's late night, evening, but I have to do it. Let's go and see. Alright, guys. You can just see I've dressed warm to just rush and just buy pizza. Imagine, guys. Imagine. Imagine, guys. So I have to drill this and just go for her. I wanna go for pizza. Pizza. Okay. See you there, guys.
And guys, let me report him.
Report me.
He told me when he came. There's a day I was aiming how will let me say, I have a big surprise for you. Oh my god. I have bought you a helmet. So
But I haven't. Mine is coming. It's on the way. So come and drive me now.
no, that's what,
Yeah,
like
this is yours. This is for Minhawi, guys.
then he wears it every day.
This is for Minhawi. Mine haven't come. It's coming. It's on the way. So when I have mine, I'll give you this yours. Or you take mine, okay?
No. I'll take I'll take the best.
Okay.
Okay. So we are going with our friend there. I'm waiting for him to turn. Turning is not child's play. Okay, hold this kindly.
Okay, guys. Let me step farm for pizza. Stepping farm for pizza.
Pizza in.
Guys, you will see that where we are heading to Migori, guys, to get pizza. Imagine at this night.
It's like 8 kilometers away, guys.
Now you have become
We are in the village. No,
become a big village.
but like I did something good for you. So I
But
feel
you
like,
could have waited until tomorrow.
no, pizza, it's only hot today.
Okay.
Tomorrow, if I wait tomorrow we may find me traveling to Mombasa tomorrow.
Okay, I need to treat you like a queen now.
Yeah,
A queen.
we need pizza.
Okay.
Eh, Is he okay?
Yeah, he's okay.
I have a friend behind there who's really holding brakes. It's pizza night. Okay, guys.
Guys, imagine guys, this time now, she's crying for pizza. Imagine guys. Okay, let's go. You have your pizza and don't cry, crowd. But for the goodwill from my heart, yeah, very very nice.
That's payback.
No, it's not a payback. It's just something you want. If your heart wants, you have to be given.
Behind this, seemingly. Yeah, so this is where we are going. What a parking! Look at how there's parked the car. This guy can really knock you.
I'm really packed.
Huh? Like, look at how he has parked the car.
Not with people's car.
No,
They know how they have.
He has taken 3/4 of this other parking space.
So
Yeah.
park this way, Jan. Park this side.
No, park. Be careful so that he does not throw you out. No, this guy, when this guy is coming out, he'll knock his bike.
Knock your bike.
Yeah.
So park this side.
So guys, we arrived in Migori and we are here for pizza. We came to a place called Jazz. And now she's happy. Hey, look at her teeth, guys. Her old teeth.
Oh, my teeth is out. Yeah, so we are in a place called, I don't know the name really, but I have been here twice, I think.
Yeah, this one. Now we pull it.
Yeah.
You know what?
What are you comparing?
The motorbike, the heaviness.
Oh, he doesn't know how heavy that is.
Just pull this and then you have this.
No, I know you have this heavy.
Charles,
Just come on.
this is very heavy.
Okay, welcome. So let's have something here, guys, and we want to see what we're having over here. Hey, big surprise for me now.
Pizza girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, we arrived here. I'm with my friend Cherish. He's here. And yeah. Cherish, how are you?
I'm good.
You good? Hey, now we are at this place called Jazz
It's just cafe.
and pizzeria.
And pizzeria.
Pizza.
Pizzeria.
Guys, I told you we do what we call like when she says I do it and I deliver. So she was around crying.
Whatever how he wants, how he gets.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Whatever how he wants, how he gets.
And whatever Claude gets, it's a quarrel. It's an argument. It's a great argument.
No, stop selling the. That's not true.
It's an argument for sure.
Yeah.
Because she argues a lot. Hey, with me, she just said that I argue, but
Yeah,
with her.
he's the king of arguments.
Okay, let's wait for pizza.
Okay.
I have the menu here.
I want barbecue
Okay.
steak.
Okay. Want peri peri chicken or chicken tikka? I'll take chicken tikka small for Manu. Yeah.
That's going to be. It has chili, so can you take the
No, chicken tikka. Peri peri has nini, but chicken tikka hasn't. No spice. chicken spice, a little bit. Because of copyright, guys. Let me sign out.
Guys, so back there, our pizza is being prepared. Then Claude Joseph here has the audacity to ask me, like the cheese is being that guy is grating cheese so that I think he can add it on the pizza. Claude is asking me, is that cabbage? Because cheese looks like cabbage when you slice it. Like, you know how you slice it using a grater? So it's a heap of it, so it looks like cabbage. It says like, are you adding cheese, any cabbage to the pizza? Like, I was like, yo. I thought I should share that with you. It's okay, I understand.
Guys, it's good to ask rather than sitting. And that doesn't know. You know, maybe like, pizza can be made from cabbage. Yeah, I saw. So it's better. I asked her in a good way.
No, it's
Is
okay.
that cabbage or cheese? Because I gave you two options. Is that cabbage or cheese?
No, like how can you think of cabbage?
Why are you laughing at me?
I'm not laughing. It's just it was just hilarious, guys.
I thought they are making, because here they would call like there's a pizza for vegetarians. So I thought maybe there's a pizza vegetarian.
Okay, no, okay, that's you're right. Your vegetarian pizza.
So
But I don't know if it can be
pizza now.
cabbage pizza. Like Gabi made me a sukuma wiki pizza and avocado.
Now listen. A sukuma wiki?
No.
So I thought maybe it's that. So I had to do it. Ask.
Like it's been a while, so I'm happy today. I feel like if you see, guys, you can see I'm glowing because I've been taking a serious break. Yeah, and my I feel like my body is coming back and my relaxed. And after this, guys, I'm going to take another huge break away from Nyabuhans, I think.
Guess where?
Where do you think I'm going?
I can take you to Mombasa.
I want to take you to Mombasa. Okay.
You go?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Journey.
Very soon, like in less than in a few days.
Yes, when Granny recovers well, we go.
No, like me, I'm going even like I know Granny will feel better, or will be feeling better. Hopefully, like I pray she feels better. But I have to go. I have to go. I have to go. He'll join me along, or with me, or without me.
Okay.
I don't know. He'll feel so bad when I go, so I know him.
Guys, we came for pizza and she slept. She slept, guys. She really slept for pizza. Nyam, guys. Nyam. But my friend is saying,
I've never eaten this.
you have never eaten this.
Why?
It will be my
Where
first
have you
time.
been?
Oh, come on, man. Really? So when you had pizza, you were like, okay. Okay, so pizza number 2 is also coming.
I want him to enjoy.
Pizza. There's also another pizza. Now this is for you, full.
Hot.
It's the same as this. So you can chip one here, you chip one here.
No, it's the same one.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is why
Guys, I took her for pizza. So are you ready? Are you happy for this now?
I'm happy because I'm happy, very happy. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Hey, 2 pizzas at a time now. Okay. Enjoy. Enjoy your pizzeria.
Now,
Which pizza is this? You want to see? He want to see. Copy. We copy.
He's waiting to see how we are eating.
Okay. Oh, that's how you eat.
Inatengenezwa na nini?
Cheese, duff. You know duff? Meat. So like this. For now is for another day. Jams are not aware.
We showered. We washed our hands. We showered. Just use your hands.
Acha nijaribu kwanza. Unajua ni ile yenye sijawahi kula.
Let me check on my friend. Let me check on my friend. Cherish. Nyam. This way. Okay. Like a V shape.
The nyama.
So you bite.
It's nice. Okay, that's better.
Ni ile yenye itanichoma kwa video.
Are you enjoying?
Yes,
Are you happy now?
very happy.
Oh, really?
Huh?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
We'll say thanks to Almighty Jack, not me. Yeah.
And thank you too.
Hiyo part yenye mnatupa ikulu.
Inakulwa.
Mimi nimemaliza.
Inakulwa.
It is eaten, bro.
Hiyo nimepata ilikuwa.
It's only when it's hard for me. We ate everything. I mean, how is happy now?
And I got to keep the change.
Okay. Okay, let's go, guys. There's music here. Now we are getting out of this place. Now we have to go and go from this end. So you are running. That's why you are running with pizza. You are running with pizza, guys. She has ate until she carried. So
I told my dress, so I didn't want the camera to capture me.
okay, so we are taking this for Manu.
Manu Cloud.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is good, guys. Now this, have you enjoyed?
Yes, I have.
All right, really?
Yep. Yeah.
You felt good. Best
Better.
and better.
Better.
Let's go home and see the reaction of Manu having pizza.
Yeah. For the first time.
No, I don't think it's for
Yes,
the first
the
time.
first time.
Oh yeah, let's go see.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's see Manu's reaction. Okay. Also Jacob.
Jacob, first time.
Yeah. Let's go see. We arrived home right here. Now with her pizza. Guys, imagine she came with the pizza. Enough for Manu. Manu, have you ever tried pizza?
No.
Really? In your life? Like serious? You have never tried pizza? Okay.
Today is a surprise for you.
Hey, Minhawi. Today is a big surprise for you.
So keep for me these two. These are mine. Nice to me. So eat this other one.
Try pizza VC for your
Yeah.
first time. Try VC.
Take one.
Take one. Hey. His first time trying pizza,
Yeah.
guys. Come this side. You eat. His first time trying pizza. No pizza.
I swear if you vomit, I'll slap you very hard. If you try and vomit. Huh?
Have you ever tried pizza? How does it
How does
taste?
it taste?
Let him have a taste.
What does it taste like?
This is meat.
Like, is it
Let
nice?
him have his taste.
No. I'm just trying to understand. Is it nice?
Let's hear the chef. CBC chef. Let's hear the CBC chef.
Pizza tester.
Yeah.
There is what do you call it? The one we make for it chapati.
What?
Wheat?
No.
Cheese?
No.
What?
Do
Baking?
you know cheese? Have you ever eaten cheese?
Baking.
There's baking? Baking powder.
Yeah.
What else?
There is some
Eggs.
tomato.
Eggs.
Eggs. No.
I was expecting you to say eggs.
What
Then
else?
then I pinch your ear.
Pizza tester. He's wondering what DC.
I always see them in the picture.
Now today you've met them one on one.
You always see them on picture.
But you think it's nice?
So is it nice?
Yeah.
Can you now this all is yours.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
You go with this to school.
They will enjoy.
Today you go with it to school?
No.
Yeah?
If I will go with it,
Mama wamelala.
yes.
They've already asleep. You have said they've already asleep because you want to eat them all.
No. Then even me, I was sleeping.
Okay, here the service, so you can enjoy the pizza
Yes.
for your first time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the pizza. May God bless you abundantly.
Okay. Okay, man.
So it's time you drop me home.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your treat.
Yeah.
And God bless you.
Did you enjoy?
Very much. Hey, only that guy is, I mean, you know, he knows what he has done. So if you see him smiling like this, he's from annoying me. He's from annoying me. What is it? Stop. I need to put a boundary like this. So he's from annoying me. I won't say what he did, but it's very annoying.
Which one again?
You want me to say that?
Say it. Say it.
No, I don't want to
Say it.
No,
You every time you want to say me, I'm annoying you. Brother, how are you enjoying the pizza?
bro, just tell the truth. Is he annoying sometimes or not?
Say it.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
The one who you annoy.
Me?
Yes.
See, don't say it's
No,
family.
it's family. No,
Because-
I
no,
think
it's-
than water.
I knew you must drive
no,
family
you can't say
in.
that because you brought him pizza.
No, the,
No, I know now.
the
That's the
big-
bribe.
Like there is other times
Yeah.
you annoy him.
Yeah.
And there's another time she annoys you.
But who annoys you most?
Most.
It's just be
Say
honest.
the-
No,
don't-
before God.
before God.
Before God.
For God.
Yes. Just
Just
before
say
God.
the truth. Yeah, yeah. Just say the
Just
truth.
say the truth.
And no family issues.
Yeah, don't bring family into. Just be honest as you can
As
be.
honest as you can be. Who annoys you?
Yes, yeah.
Why? What causes me to annoy her?
Because sometimes she's like,
Arguing.
yeah, she's
No,
arguing on you.
Mm.
Yeah.
Stop leading the question. Just let him speak.
You
what
know,
he thinks.
Yeah.
sometimes like you tell him, hold here like yesterday. Hold here.
Yeah.
Then the time he's holding,
She started laughing.
laughing.
Imagine, guys, we are serious carrying the MDF boards, very heavy, and I'm telling her carry it
That
here,
is why
and she started laughing. Imagine.
about him being annoying towards me.
Don't.
Anyway, he just
Kids are angels. So
no, angel.
yesterday.
This is not an angel. And you're an angel.
Yesterday. Guys, let's be honest.
No, just point at the angel. Let me see. It's an angel.
A very nice angel.
Oh my God. Looks can be deceiving. Oh.
Now listen. Yesterday, when we were putting the MDF, that MDF is very heavy, and you started laughing at me.
Because
Imagine,
I was
guys.
not laughing at you because, like my arm here, when I was a kid, I
But
had
you
an-
could have.
listen,
Have you ever told me
I
that?
had an accident, so I cannot really lift
You
something.
could have
very
told
heavy.
me that.
So
Imagine,
I told
guys.
yesterday. I said this hand of
Hold
mine
this,
cannot,
Manu. Hold this.
this hand of mine cannot be able to hold like.
Guys, she held that MDF this way, and with me it was too heavy.
It is very heavy.
She started laughing.
No, I didn't fall down. No, you're lying. No,
So,
but it was so heavy.
Imagine by that thing, guys.
I was
MDF is
telling,
heavy.
I was asking me, and I was telling Manu to come and help me from my side because it's heavy.
But you were
didn't want him
laughing.
to. No, you didn't want him to help me. Did I say you come and help me?
But how can
But
you
he
help?
refused, right?
You are too young for that.
No,
MDF
no,
is
no,
so
no.
heavy.
It's not about being too young. It's just about like it wasn't about age. Age was not a factor. He can help me carry so that because my one arm cannot really carry something very heavy, and you refused to.
So you
want
left
me
it.
to carry.
So you left it
So
to
you
me.
left it to me so that it can fall down, and it fell down. Huh? And it even has cracks.
Do you see it?
It has cracks. Yes.
Do you see on your face?
What?
Do you see on your face
See what?
the lie you're putting on me?
No, I don't lie. Come on. If you say I'm lying now, you can turn your camera to the other side. I don't lie.
Look, guys. Do you see?
Don't put it.
Do you see the lie,
You
guys?
see now I'm starting to get annoyed. I'm kidding.
Eat pizza.
No.
You demanded for pizza, and now you want to
No,
give
I've
it to
eaten.
become
I've
leftover.
eaten. Let him enjoy first. Don't
Enjoy,
spoil
right,
it.
man? This all is yours. Bon appetit. Errores do mundo. Bon appetit.
Okay.
Errores do mundo. Guys, see you tomorrow on a discontinuation of this episode. Things will move on nicely, and this is another episode. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and be blessed all. As she says, she usually say, her wish is my command. All my command is your wish.
Bye, guys.
Listen, guys, she's annoying again.
Your wish
I'm
is my
asking,
command.
I'm asking her a question, and she's telling
My
me
command
bye.
is your wish.
Your wish is my command.
Yes.
Oh,
Automatically.
Okay, so by that, guys, please subscribe to my young brother Manu Claude,
Yeah.
and also he's enjoying pizza for the first time. And also, guys, be blessed always. You're the best, the best, the best of the best. And thank you so much a million times. And subscribe to me and Harry, subscribe to Manu Cloud and to Cloud Joseph Road to 30,000 subscribers. The channel is too heavy. Bye.